question lang. Bakit ang daming charges sa VUL plan sa first few years? Kasi sa simula pa lang, meron ng mga ganitong charges. Cost of insurance, admin fees, tsaka premium charges. It's not a scam. That's how VUL works. Insurance plus long-term savings equals protection with long-term growth. Sa una, mas mataas talaga yung protection cost. Pero habang tumatagal, mas lumalaki na ang fund value. So trust the process and stay committed to your goal at balikan ko ano ba yung reason kung bakit mo ba kinuha ang VUL plan na to. Remember, lahat ng premiums na hinuhulog mo sa plan mo, whether 5 years, 20 years, 10 years, yun ang pambayad mo ng insurance protection mo, accident, critical illness. Anything in excess na idadagdag mo, ang tawag natin top up, yon ang magbibuild ng savings mo na pwede mong withdrawin for your retirement and big goals.